Bacteremia. It is the presence of bacteria, live, in the blood circulation. Sepsis is the host response to bacteria. It may be primary, wherein bacteria are introduced directly into the blood by drug abuse injections, venous catheters, or secondary, wherein bacteria enter blood through some other infection focus like pneumonia, urinary infection, etc. Bacteremia may be transient, intermittent, or persistent. In transient type, bacteria is present in the circulation for only minutes to few hours and gets cleared like in small procedures and instrumentation. In intermittent type, periodic bacteremia occur, seen in pneumonia or abscess, etc. Persistent type is continuous presence of bacteria in blood, often seen in infected heart valve or central line or vessel graft or prosthesis, etc. Bacteremia can be gram-positive or gram-negative. It is more often seen in meningitis, typhoid, brucellosis, etc. Risk factors are HIV, diabetes, transplant, dialysis, and immunosuppression. 2 blood cultures taken from 2 separate sites of the body if show same bacteria, it is confirmed as bacteremia. Condition is treated by effective antibiotic therapy. Septicemia. It is the presence of overwhelming and multiplying bacteria in the blood with toxins causing SIRS, systemic inflammatory response syndrome, or MODS, multi-organ dysfunction syndrome, which later may progress into multiple system organ failure, MSOF. Actually, sepsis, which means body's response to infection eventually causing damage to its own organs. Sepsis is SIRS with infection. Severe sepsis is sepsis syndrome with MODS or MSOF. Even though 2 or more of SIRS criteria, refer Chapter 1G. Shock, are used to diagnose sepsis. Currently other scoring systems are used. 2016. SOFA-score, sequential, sepsis-related, organ failure assessment, is ideal using 6 parameters: respiratory, neurological, cardiovascular, liver, coagulation and renal systems, each having 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 scores. Quick SOFA score, QSOFA score, is also used based on 3 parameters: low blood pressure less than 100 mm Hg, increased respiratory rate greater than 22 per minute, altered mentation, GCS less than 13. Septicemia can be gram-positive or gram-negative. Gram-positive septicemia is due to staphylococci, streptococci, pneumococci, etc. infection. It is common in children, old age, diabetes, and after splenectomy, OPSI, overwhelming post-splenectomy infection. Gram-negative septicemia is common in acute abdomen-like peritonitis, abscess, biliary, pancreatic, gastrointestinal or urinary infections, infected wounds, and postoperative sepsis. It is commonly seen in malnourished, old age, immunosuppressed people and diabetics. Common bacteria are E. coli, Klebsiella, Pseudomonas, Proteus, etc. Gram-negative septicemia causes endotoxic shock. Initial reversible warm stage presents with fever, chills and rigors which are due to pyrogenic response. Eventual irreversible cold stage develops wherein patient goes for complications like ARDS, renal, liver and multi-organ failure, disseminated intravascular coagulation, DIC, bone marrow suppression, thrombocytopenia. Evaluation of septicemia is done using clinical assessment, blood parameters, hematocrit, liver and renal function tests, coagulation profile, electrolyte estimation, arterial blood gas analysis, C-reactive protein, culture of urine, pus, discharge, bile, blood, chest X-ray, imaging as per need. Treatment: fluid therapy, antibiotics, monitoring heart rate, respiration, oxygen saturation, urine output, may need to pass Foley's catheter, oxygen supplementation, fresh frozen plasma, or fresh blood transfusion, critical care with ventilator support, electrolyte management. CVP line, parenteral nutrition, management complications, like hemodialysis for renal failure, tracheostomy. B. Complications of septicemia. XX disseminated intravascular coagulation, DIC, XX ARDS, XX liver dysfunction, XX renal failure, XX bone marrow suppression, thrombocytopenia, XX multi-organ failure. Premier presence of multiplying bacteria in blood is emboli which spread and lodge in different organs in the body like liver, lungs, kidneys, spleen, brain causing pemic abscess. This may lead to multi-organ dysfunction syndrome (MODS). It may endanger life if not treated properly. Clinical features 3/4 fever with chills and rigors, jaundice, oliguria, drowsiness 3/4 hypotension, peripheral circulatory collapse and later coma with MODS. Note, causes, evaluation and treatment of pemia is like septicemia above.